Welcome back to the channel. Today this is going to be part 2, and we are here at Lucas Automotive. If you guys want oil change, just give them a look on Facebook. I'll try to put their link in the description below, and all we're going to do is tear down that motor, and we're going to go get some fenders and other stuff for the car. So once we get the car done, motor done, we'll be doing that, and I'll see you in a little bit. Trying to see if there's any movement, because something went through the bearings, and we're trying to figure out what it was.
I don't feel anything in there.
Nothing.
It's scoring real bad.
See how it's scored right there? Just being safe. Check this other one and go from there. What are you checking for?
Let's see, making sure there ain't no up and down movement on the wrist pin. I think they look alright. Don't see nothing.
No up and down right there, just side to side and
Normal side to side movement.
we don't need the pistons, do we? I mean,
No.
lighter or it'd be go faster, right? You won't have the compression.
Lack of oil compression.
You don't need compression. You just need horsepower.
They all got damage to them.
Yeah.
Get your fingernail on them.
Got some dirt or some metal flakes that we seen on that oil filter. Go through them somewhere.
So you probably got dirt or something in there.
See that where it's around. Camera, see it? The lines.
Yeah. Kind of see it.
So we got it all tore apart, and this one is pretty tore up,
Yeah.
gouged out. So we gotta see if we can find a crank. If not, I got a backup motor at the house, throw in it, and be good for this year. Alright, we are back here at the farm. So it's getting a little too late for us to do the things we need. Sorry, there's a lot of holes here. So here's the backup car. Well, not backup car, parts car. We're gonna take the fenders off, the front bumper, the hood, and the tires. Then the trunk right here, it's shot. And this fender. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, as you can see, it is the next morning. We got the back bumper off, and we're gonna try to go to the front fenders, get some of the front fenders off, and get the front bumper off. And that'll probably be the end of the video, and the next one will be taking the hood off, go and get a new K-frame because mine is bent a little. I'll show you guys that in the next video, and I'll give you guys an update after I take the fenders off. Alright, we got the front fender, the other fender right now, because it's just way too hard. I took like 5 minutes on the one fender. Got my little helper here. She's a little camera shy. See, a little camera shy. But that will be it for today. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. And